parallel CD. The question is, again I am repeating, in figure you have to find out the value of x and y, and then to prove AB parallel CD. In solution we write AB and CD are two lines intersected by a transversal. Therefore, x plus 50 degree equal to 180 degree linear pair. Therefore, x equal to 180 minus 50 and x equal to 130 degree. This is the first. Secondly, we see that y equal to 130 degree vertically opposite angles. This is second. Comparing first and second, we get x equal to y. But we see here x and y are the interior alternate angles. Thus, by theorem, AB parallel CD. Because the theorem is, when a transversal intersect two lines and their interior opposite angles, interior alternate angles are equal, both lines are parallel. This is the figure you can see, in which given PQ parallel ST, angle PQR equal to 110 degree and angle RST equal to 130 degree. Find angle QRS. QRS. For finding angle QRS, first we draw a line EF through R parallel to ST. Draw a line EF parallel ST through point R. Then we see that angle TSR plus angle FRS equal to 180 degree, because these are the co-interior angles. The sum of co-interior angle is 180 degree. Angle TSR equal to 130 degree, so put the value 130 degree plus angle FRS equal to 180 degree, and angle FRS equal to 180 minus 130 equal to 50 degree. Number one,
50 degree.
50 degree.
Yes, sir.
को इंटीरियर से निकाला है इसको. Now PQ parallel ST given and EF parallel ST by construction जो हमने ड्रॉ किया था. From these two we get PQ parallel EF. PQ parallel EF by theorem 6.6. Therefore, angle PQR plus angle ERQ equal to 180 degree. Angle PQR equal to 110 degree. Therefore, 110 degree plus ERQ equal to 180 degree minus 110 degree. So angle ERQ equal to 70 degree. ERQ equal to 70 degree. Now angle ERQ plus QRS plus angle SRE या ERS equal to 180 degree, linear pair, 180 degree. Put the value of angle ERQ and angle FRS. 70 degree plus angle QRS plus 50 degree equal to 180 degree. Adding both, 120 degree plus QRS equal to 180 degree. After transposing, angle QRS equal to 180 minus 120. Therefore, the value of angle QRS equal to 60 degree. In this figure, first we have find out the value of both sides of transversal, value of co-interior angles. First we have find the value of co-interior angles FRS. Secondly, we have find the angle ERQ. Then we have applied angle ERQ plus angle QRS plus angle FRS equal to 180 degree. This is a straight line which we have drawn in construction. And find the value of angle QRS, which is 60 degree. Reflection of light you have read in class 6 in physics. ये फिजिक्स में पढ़ा होगा कि रिफ्लेक्शन ऑफ लाइट, when a ray of light incident on a plane and reflects in the same direction, law of reflection. This question based on law of reflection. You can see question number 6 in figure. PQ and RS are two mirrors placed parallel to each other. An incident ray AB strikes the mirror PQ at B and reflected ray moves along the path BC and strike the mirror RS at C, and again reflected such along CD. We have to prove AB parallel CD. अब फिगर में देख सकते हो कि PQ and RS, there are two mirrors. A ray AB strike PQ at B, and after reflection it strikes RS at C and then also reflects. We have to prove AB parallel CD. Solution. two mirrors PQ and RS are placed such that PQ parallel RS, an incident ray AB strike mirror PQ at B, and after reflection, ray moves along the path BC and strike the mirror RS at C, and again reflects back along CD. This is given to prove AB parallel CD. And here we have to do construction. So construction, draw normals BM and CN. BM on PQ and CN on RS. Normal means perpendicular. Proof: BM perpendicular PQ and CN perpendicular RS. Therefore, BM parallel CN. Now, BM parallel CN and BC is the transversal. BC is the transversal. Show angle 2 equal to angle 3. Alternate angle you can see, because after drawing normals, angle ABC divided into two parts, angle 1 and 2, which is indicated, and by normal CN we have noted angle 3 and 4, given the name. So angle 1 equal to 2 and angle 3 equal to 4. By law of reflection, comparing first and second, we get 2 angle 2 equal to 2 angle 3. Here we have written 2 angle 2 equal to 2 angle 3 because angle 1 equal to 2. So 2 angle 2 equal to 2 angle 3. We can write it angle 2 plus angle 2 equal to angle 3 plus angle 3. And also angle 1 plus angle 2 equal to angle 3 plus angle 4. That is angle ABC equal to angle BCD. Angle ABC equal to angle BCD. But these angles are alternate angles. These angle ABC and BCD are alternate angles. Therefore, by theorem, (6.3), we have AB parallel CD. You have understand it or any problem?
Yes, sir.
ये हमारा लॉ ऑफ रिफ्लेक्शन लाइट फिजिक्स के बेस पर बेस्ड है ये.
सर जहाँ पर 2 एंगल 2 इज इक्वल टू 2 एंगल 3 लिखा है तो कैसे हुआ सर? नहीं आया.
2 एंगल 2 इक्वल टू 2 एंगल 3, ये लिखा है ना। तो अभी हमने रिफ्लेक्शन ऑफ लाइट का लॉ बताया है कि एंगल 1 इक्वल टू एंगल 2 और एंगल 3 इक्वल टू एंगल 4। जब हमने बताया था लॉ ऑफ रिफ्लेक्शन से, तो
यस सर।
1 और 2 इक्वल है, 3 एंड 4 इक्वल है, ठीक है। तो इंसिडेंस एंगल और रिफ्लेक्टेड एंगल, और दूसरे साइड में 3 और 4 भी, 3 क्या है इंसिडेंस एंगल और 4 रिफ्लेक्टेड एंगल। तो 3 और 4 दोनों इक्वल है, उधर 1 और 2 इक्वल है। तो एक 1 + 2 करें तो क्या हो जाएगा, पूरी एंगल ABC आएगा, दोनों इक्वल है ना। 1 इक्वल टू 2, तो 1 के लिए भी अगर 2 पुट कर देंगे तो 2 + 2 तो क्या हो जाएगा 2 एंगल 2। और 3 इक्वल टू 4, अगर 4 के लिए हम 3 रख दें तो क्या हो जाएगा 3 + 3 यानी 2 एंगल 3, है ना, इसलिए लिखा है।